How to get Assetto Corsa on PC. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Steam. Now, you need the Steam launcher and not just your website. Make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. In the search bar, you have to search for Assetto Corsa. Select on the suggestion. Assetto Corsa is not a free gaming application that you can download from your Steam. To get on your PC, you will have to pay a certain amount. For starter, it will cost you just $2 or maximum $7. Now, once you have installed your Assetto Corsa on your PC, you can easily play using your controllers and in your PC as well, as it supports all of the generic controller. You can configure your controllers in your Assetto Corsa setting if you want to. If not, you can just tap on the Steam icon to configure your controller for your Assetto Corsa on your PC. Now, once you do this, you can go ahead and enjoy your online matches and more. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.